Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and placing the machine on a stable table. This prevents damage and gives access. Open the bobbin case and presser foot, then remove thread and needle so you can see internal parts clearly. Use a bright lamp and magnifier. Inspect for broken parts, heavy lint, or old hardened oil. Note model and serial tag because parts differ by model. Once done, lay out tools. Small screwdrivers, brush, lint vacuum, and sewing oil so you can move straight into cleaning. Now you remove plates and clean thoroughly. Brush lint from feed dogs and bobbin area, vacuum debris, and wipe with a lint-free cloth because buildup causes skipped stitches. Apply 1-2 drops of sewing oil exactly at designated points. Overoiling attracts more lint. Next, manually turn the handwheel slowly and watch the hook and needle bar interaction to check timing. If the hook misses the needle, you will need to adjust timing screws. Otherwise, reassemble and test with scrap fabric to confirm stitch formation. Finish by reinstalling a correct size needle and threading the machine correctly. Small mistakes here cause most problems. Set upper and bobbin tension to baseline marks, then run several test seams on scrap fabric to evaluate stitch quality. If you see skipped stitches, change the needle and recheck timing. If the hook still misses, slightly loosen timing screws and realign before red-tightening. If the motor hesitates, inspect the drive belt and wiring connections. Key tip: when unsure, take clear photos and consult a parts diagram before forcing adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.